Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my video, I want to go over how to invest $10,000 into your music career. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making this video because I got an email with somebody asking me to be their manager. With all of the information I know about the music business, a lot of people be wanting me to, manage them or, help them and guide them. So on this video, I want to give out the game for free just to let y'all know how to invest $10,000 into your music career. Like if I was your manager and you had a $10,000 budget, how we would invest it, just so y'all can understand like how to really take your career to the next level as an independent artist, like when you really want to take it serious, right? Now, first thing you gotta do, first thing I recommend you doing is recording an EP, right? An EP is an album basically with 1 to 7 songs on it, right? You record this album and we're gonna focus on one specific song, right? Now, when we record this album, after that, we gotta go get a cover art, right? So you gotta get a professional, nice looking cover art. It's a lot of different people that make cover arts on Instagram, a lot of different cover art companies like the Cover Art Factory. Just a Google search away, you can go and find these different companies that provide these services, and you want to get a good cover art, right? Now, after you recorded the project and we got the cover art, right, the cost of that can vary. The cover art costs can, be cut down, and the recording costs can be cut down depending on what studio and the mixing and mastering. So the cost of that isn't going to be that much for just one project, right? Now, after we have the music ready, right, and we had a cover art, next thing we're going to do is distribute it. Now, we want to distribute on a solid music distribution service, a solid service that's going to track all the streams, that's going to pay us out on time, right? And we can get certain copyrights, and we can get certain publishing for our songs, right? That's the thing. We want to have everything tracked, all of the royalties. We want to get all of the royalties. And the thing about TuneCore is they track all of your royalties, right? So we upload our music on TuneCore, right? The album, about $50, right? That's about $50 to do that. Next, right after the album is uploaded, we gonna schedule it. Like we scheduling it. We planning this out. We doing this a month ahead. You know what I'm saying? We planning this out. We already got the music recorded. It's done. We got the date set for a month. We got the cover art ready. It's uploaded. We got a pre-save page, we got a pre-order page, all of that through TuneCore. We set up all of that, right? We got everything set up. Next, we're gonna take all of the UPC codes and the ISRC codes, and we're gonna make sure we submit our song to SoundScan. Now, this is where a lot of independent artists forget. This is a step a lot of independent artists forget, is to submit their song to SoundScan. Now, this is going to help us when we start going viral, when we start trending, and we get on Apple Music charts and Spotify charts. This is going to help us get on those charts and, the Billboard charts. It's going to help us, really climb up the ladder and get a lot of organic growth, through these mediums. But we have to submit our song on SoundScan. We have to submit our project on SoundScan, so the global database, the music industry, everything is tracked, right? Everything is tracked here. From YouTube to Apple Music to Spotify, everything is tracked right here for the album, right? And if we go gold to platinum, they'll send us a plaque. The RIAA will send us a plaque, right? Next, after that, after we, submitted our song, right? The music is distributed now, it released, right? The music is out now. We got everything set up. We got all of our songs registered. We ready to get paid. All our ducks in a row, everything in alignment, right? Next after that, we're gonna run a little Spotify promotion. Get it off the ground, boost it up. Maybe get in some algorithm playlists. We're gonna submit to editorial playlists too. We're gonna submit to all that through the Spotify for artists. That's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna build up, the account, right? We're gonna build up the Spotify artist profile, right? After that song that we like, the number one song that we like, we're gonna go get a video shot, right? You go to the best videographer in the city, right? This is Jerry Production. This is just an example of one of the best videographers in Detroit. There's a lot of great videographers, probably over 10 I could show you, but you want to go to the best videographer, pay them to record your video, right? 4K, good quality, good transitions, just an all around good video, right? Next, after you had a video, after that's all recorded, the next step and the biggest part of our budget is Worldstar, right? Now, this isn't the regular Worldstar post on worldstar.com. This isn't a big video or the little videos that appear on worldstar.com. No, this is Worldstar YouTube, right? This is a whole nother game. This is the long game, right? This is why it costs so much. It's $8,000 to get uploaded. So we're gonna take $8,000 and we're gonna upload the video on Worldstar, right? When we do this, right, it is a tactic to this, right? Because Worldstar, the video after we upload that once, it's up there forever. So we gotta do it right. We have to do it right, and to do it right, you gotta enter in a video description. Now, this is where a lot of artists forget to do when they submit their video on Worldstar. When you pay $8,000, you have to send them an email of the artist name, the song title, the video link, and video description, right? What we're gonna do here in the video description is we're gonna put a smart URL link that links to your Apple Music, that links to your Spotify, Amazon, YouTube, everything. We're gonna put a smart URL link in the description of the Worldstar video, right? We're gonna put the smart URL link in the description so that when people go to the Worldstar video, let me find it. When people go to the Worldstar YouTube channel, when they go to the video, they're gonna click the links in the description. Now, this is a big thing on YouTube, the link in the description, right? When you have a link in your YouTube description, it pops. People click on that. And they're gonna click on that and they're gonna go stream your song on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Amazon. We're gonna set it up real cold. It's called a pivot. This is what it's called. It's called a pivot link, right? Where a page pop up and you can pivot. You can be like, okay, I wanna go to Apple Music, I wanna go to Spotify, I wanna go to your YouTube channel. You can add your Instagram account, you can add your website. We're gonna do all of that. We're gonna make sure you're right. And we're gonna add the pivot link on there. Under the YouTube video for Worldstar, right? Now, something else you got to understand about this method. I know you think $8,000 is a lot. It ain't. It's nothing compared to what we about to get back, right? Because what we gonna do through TuneCore, right, is we're going to monetize. We're gonna run YouTube content ID on the video, right? So we're gonna run content ID on the Worldstar hip hop video that's posted on a channel. That's why they charge so much, right? That video is gonna be monetized on Worldstar hip hop. That's 24 million subscribers. It's gonna be monetized in front of. If we go look down, like 2 days ago, John Gabbana, 100K. This dude, I don't even know him, Dice Soho, 35K in 2 days. Imagine where these videos gonna be at in the next year, right? Imagine what them videos gonna do with the smart URL link, right? And this is the game. We're gonna put the YouTube content ID on the video, so we're gonna get all of the, for every view we're gonna get paid, because Worldstar gonna have ads running on the video before the video play and after the video play. It's gonna be ads running from Worldstar YouTube channel. It's a monetized YouTube channel, right? So when you run the YouTube content ID, you get back, you're gonna get back that $8,000 through TuneCore, right? Through the music report. Once they track all of the streams that came from YouTube, you can get paid for that. So you really invest in this 10,000 to make 20 back. So I'm just letting y'all know, this is how I would promote if I was your manager. This is the game plan I would give you, how we would go into it. Now, if anybody heard this and got a little inspired, you maybe want me to be your manager, you want to do that, just understand, like, that costs, right? And I understand a lot of people don't have $20,000 to pay me, but that's why I make these YouTube videos, to get the game away for free. Because at the end of the day, it's just about giving out the knowledge. Somebody gonna take this video and be like, I'm doing that, because nobody just put it like that for me and just gave me a little blueprint. I just gave y'all the blueprint on exactly how to do this. I don't really want to be that famous with my music, but if I did, this is exactly what I do. You know what I'm saying? This is exactly what I do. I just want to come from a manager type of teacher role. Now, like, I used to want to be the artist, but I find out that I'm better with the music business. I'm better understanding the business and, teaching y'all the business. And I like that role better than being the artist. You know what I'm saying? So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. The last part I forgot to mention, once the video is up on Worldstar, once we get the video on Worldstar, right, we're gonna pay Say Cheese to post it on his page, right? $725 for 2 IG posts and a SoundCloud repost. Now, once you contact Say Cheese, if y'all ever hit up Say Cheese and ask them like how much it is to be posted, this is the email he'll send you from one of his reps. So yeah, but I just wanted to let y'all know the last part of the marketing strategy. You have to take the word, once the video is on Worldstar, you want to go to Say Cheese and get him to post it on his Instagram page. Very active Instagram page. It's a highly engaged audience, and you want to capture all of these new fans to your music video. So that was my video, how to invest $10,000 in your music career. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.